Hi guys, this is Aman Tilno and today is the day 5th of 10 weeks lean gain program. It's time to mix my drink. Today's workout, legs and shoulder. Let's start with the first exercise, that is squats on Smith machine. I'm doing first 2 sets as a warm up and next 4 sets as a main with strictly 20 reps each. There is no rigidity of weight. I'm doing it with 30 lbs. As I'm on lean gain program, so I need to tone my legs within 10 weeks for my shoot. Stand little bit forward and set the Smith bar to the shoulder height. Grab the bar and ensure that your spine is neutral and your eyes are gazing straight. Squat as deeply as you can. Comfortably push yourself so that you can get maximum result. The Smith squat is a compound dynamic strength training exercise that is great for upper and lower body. Squats mainly target the thighs. Next exercise is step ups. I just need a bench to perform this exercise. I'm taking 10 lbs dumbbell in each hand. I will place my one foot on bench and fix it. I keep my back straight and plant my foot entirely on the bench, keeping my movement smooth and controlled. This is a good general lower body conditioning exercise. Moving on to the next exercise, that is leg extension. Sit on machine with a weighted pad on top of your lower legs. Then you use your quads to extend your knees and lift your lower leg. The leg extension is a type of strength training exercise which is great for strengthening your quadriceps, which are in front of your upper legs. Strong quads are important for walking, squatting and for good posture. Let's begin with leg curl. Leg curl is basic isolation exercise that target 2 muscle groups, that is hamstring and calf muscles. To do a leg curl, I pull my heels towards my buttocks from my position on the machine. Hold this position for a beat, allowing yourself to make sure you are focused as to prepare to lower your leg. I will be doing 4 sets with 15 to 20 reps. Next exercise is lunges. Lunges increase muscle mass to build up strength and tone your body, especially your core, butt and legs. You may develop tight, toned and stronger muscle and start to lower your body fat percentage within a few weeks. Don't round your shoulder or lean forward. I'm doing 2 sets and 20 reps with each leg. The last exercise of legs is seated calf raises. Sit on the calf machine and place your feet on platform with the toes pointed forward. Your heels will naturally hang. Extend your ankle and release the safety bar. Lower the heel by flexing the ankle until the calf are fully stretched. Keep the repetition slow and controlled. Pause at the top to emphasize the contraction. Now I'm doing the first exercise of shoulder, that is standing shoulder press. Stand in the center of Smith machine, grabbing the bar shoulder width apart. Make sure that your arms are fully extended but not locked out. Slowly bringing the bar touching my chest and push it up with my deltoid. It mainly targets lateral muscle of shoulder. I'm doing 3 sets with 15 reps. Next exercise is dumbbell lateral raises. I keep my back straight and brace my core. Elbow slightly bent while going up. Slowly lifting the weight out to the side until my arms are parallel with the floor. Just try to get my dumbbell up to my neck. Then bring my arms back down in full control. The next one is behind the neck press. Neck press with free weight is not for beginner. Beginners can perform this exercise on Smith machine. I am going to demonstrate this exercise with free weight and also on Smith machine. Sit on bench, take a bar and hold it shoulder width apart. Slowly bringing the bar down with full control to about the middle of my head and repeat. Moving on to front raises. This exercise is great for beginners. Start with the dumbbell in each hand at thigh level. Raise the dumbbell parallel to the floor and then return to the starting position to complete one exercise repetition. This exercise can be used in upper body workout to build your shoulder strength. I'm doing 3 sets with 15 reps. The last exercise of the day is shrugs. The main muscles that shoulder shrugs target are the trap muscles. These are located on both sides of your neck. They control the movement of your shoulder blades as well as your upper back and neck. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Bend your knees slightly. Keep your chin up, facing straight ahead, and your neck straight while you inhale. Bring your shoulders as high up towards your ear. Do the movement slowly so that you feel resistance of your muscles. Lower your shoulder back down and breathe out. Don't forget to stretch in the end.